Good morning and welcome to this presentation on respiration. So the aim of this presentation is to give you an overview of respiration and all of the main points that you need to know. So first of all, our diagram on the left shows the places where each of the stages of respiration occur. So glycolysis happens in the cytoplasm, and the reason is because glucose is too large to enter the mitochondria. However, glycolysis makes pyruvate, which manages to get into the mitochondria, and this is where the link reaction and Krebs cycle occur. And later on, the electron transport chain happens on the membranes of the mitochondria and in this intermembrane space. So the first stage, glycolysis, we start off with a glucose molecule with 6 carbon molecules, and the most important point you need to know about what happens to glucose is it gains 2 phosphate molecules, and the term for this is phosphorylation. This molecule, which you don't actually need to know the name of, but it's a hexose biphosphate, which means it consists of 6 carbons, and 2 phosphates. This molecule is split into two triose phosphates, each with a phosphate molecule on the end. And later on, they gain another phosphate molecule to form this molecule down here. Now, why is that important? Well, these phosphates are going to be added to 2 ADP molecules to make 2 ATP molecules. And that's two of the molecules that we're making in this cycle. However, what do we also make? Well, the NAD is reduced to NADH, and this is an electron carrier. It's important in the electron transport chain where each NADH molecule will make 3 ATPs. So we've reduced NAD, we've oxidized ADP, added phosphates to them and made 2 ATPs, and because the phosphates have been taken off, we now have a pyruvate molecule. And this happens twice, so each glucose molecule will make 2 pyruvate molecules. So remember that, because the next stage happens twice because of this. So we needed 2 ATP at the beginning of glycolysis, and we've made 4. So overall, we've made a net of 2 ATP molecules and 2 reduced NAD or NADH molecules in glycolysis. The next stage, the link reaction, happens inside the matrix of the mitochondria. It happens twice because 2 pyruvate molecules are made, and the pyruvate molecule is combined with CoA and NAD to form acetyl-CoA, which is an enzyme, and CO2 as a waste product, as well as reduced to NAD. This reduced to NAD, otherwise known as NADH, again, is useful in the electron transport chain, and a useful thing to know is that the electron transport chain is also known as oxidative phosphorylation. We'll go into why that is in our next presentation. So overall, the link reaction happens twice because 2 pyruvates are made for each glucose molecule. It produces 1 NADH in each link reaction, so 2 overall. The Krebs cycle is what we'll go into more detail on the next presentation, so see you there.